Number 1. Incline dumbbell skull crusher, target muscle tricep. Skull crusher are an excellent exercise to make the tricep muscle stronger and bigger. Lean down on an incline bench with dumbbell in both hands and place the dumbbell directly above your chest. Then bending the elbow, bringing the dumbbell down toward the head. Then while extending the hand fully, press the dumbbell upward and squeeze the tricep muscle. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions with lightweight dumbbell. Number 2. Seated dumbbell hammer curl. Target muscle bicep brachialis and brachiodialis. Sit on the bench holding the dumbbell with neutral grip, keeping your hands straight, bringing the dumbbell up toward your shoulder, and then take the dumbbell down while maintaining the same form. During this entire movement, control the speed and keep the elbow close to the body and focusing on bicep muscle. If you want, you can also do it while standing. Do 3 sets of these and 10 to 12 repetitions and increase the weight after each set. Number 3. Seated dumbbell overhead extension. Target muscle tricep. Holding a one dumbbell above your head with both hands, sit on the bench with back supported. Bend your elbow and lower the dumbbell behind your head, then focusing squeezing the tricep muscle and bringing the dumbbell upward. During this movement, keep your upper arm close to your head. Start with the lightweight dumbbell, then increase the weight after each set. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Number 4. Dumbbell concentration curl. Target muscle bicep brachii. First of all, sit on the bench with spreading your leg and holding a one dumbbell, keeping your upper arm resting on the inner thigh. Curl the dumbbell toward your shoulder and then slowly lower the dumbbell to the starting position. Keep your upper arm stable during this movement. Do 3 sets of this and 10 to 12 repetitions with both hands. Number 5. Single arm dumbbell kickback. Target muscle tricep. Stand with the dumbbell in one hand and bend forward at the hips, keeping your back straight, keeping the elbow stable and upper arm close to the body. Kick the dumbbell backward until your tricep muscle squeeze, then bringing the dumbbell back to the starting position with control speed. If you want, you can perform it with the both hands together. Do 3 sets of this and 12 to 15 repetitions with both hands. Number 6. Alternating dumbbell curl. Target muscle bicep brachii. This is the finishing exercise of this routine which provide a good pump throughout the entire arms muscle. Stand with the dumbbell in both hands, keeping the hands forward, bringing the dumbbell toward the shoulder with alternating hand and curl it, and then bringing the dumbbell downward with control form. While performing this, keep your elbow close to the body and upper arm stable. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions while maintaining correct form.